Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to convert text into a vector graphic in PowerPoint using the Merge Shapes tool. This method lets you scale, recolor, and manipulate your text without losing quality. First, add your text by creating a text box and typing your content. Next, insert a shape like a rectangle and resize it so it completely covers the text. Right-click the shape and choose Send to Back so it sits behind your text. Now, select both the text box and the shape by holding the Shift key and clicking on each one. Go to the Shape Format tab and click Merge Shapes. Choose Fragment from the drop-down. This breaks your text into separate pieces, giving you full control over each letter. You can also choose Combine if you want to merge the text into a single shape. Finally, delete any unwanted fragments and you're left with vector shapes that you can manipulate individually, resize, recolor, or apply effects without losing clarity. And that's it. Using the Merge Shapes tool, you can easily convert text into editable vector graphics in PowerPoint, perfect for high-quality designs or professional presentations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more PowerPoint tips to enhance your slides.